Hello Internet, my name is Adam Zagimian and today I'm here to give you some study tips that I find helpful for myself while studying in self-isolation. So I know that COVID-19 has been pretty harmful on our routines and harmful on our productivity. And I know for many of you it's been making you anxious and worried about how are you going to get this productivity back, especially in the upcoming exam season. So I'm going to give you these 3 study tips and I hope that you will incorporate them into your own life and you will take them while studying and you will apply them and make you a little more productive than you were formerly. So the first study tip that I'm going to recommend is dress for success. So when I wake up in the morning, what I like to do is I like to lay out a nice pair of clothing and I like to put them on and I like to feel like I'm actually going somewhere or like I'm doing something that requires me to dress well. So going to a lecture or going to the library, because I feel like my productivity is very much benched in what I wear. Because I feel like if I wear something too comfortable, I'm going to feel like I'm too relaxed and it's going to hurt my focus. So I recommend that you guys lay out and wear something that you feel like is going to help you productivity and it's going to help you feel a little more focused than something, let's say some sweatpants or some fuzzy socks. Tip number 2 is do some exercises. So I find it very helpful for me, especially after sitting at a desk for a very long time, to get up and to release extra energy, because I know that when I'm at a desk for a very long time, I start to feel antsy and it hurts my productivity, it hurts my focus. So what I recommend you do is get up, do some jumping jacks, maybe do some stretches, do whatever you feel like is comfortable will help you release some extra energy and get right back to work right after that. Tip number 3 is find a partner and dial them up. So I like to study with people that keep me accountable, people that keep me focused. So what I like to do is I like to call a friend and I like to plan study sessions with that friend. And after every hour goes by, I'll call them and I'll give them an update about how much work I've gotten done in the period since I've called them. This keeps me accountable because I know there's a pressure of having to give someone an update about how much work I've gotten done and expecting an update in return. This pressure keeps me motivated to work because I would like to eventually give this person something to say and something to be proud of. And me myself, I'd like to also be proud of the amount of work that I've done. And telling someone how much work you've done makes you feel a sense of pride. So these were 3 study tips that I found helpful for myself while studying in self-isolation. And I hope you incorporate these tips into your own study schedules, into your own lives. And hopefully under the current self-isolation period, you'll be able to get some work done and you'll be able to come out of this a better student and a stronger student overall. Goodbye for now. I hope you have a great study session and see you until next time.